Okay, this is Wolfman. Wolfman comes from New Zealand, and I'll be helping translate as we go today. So, what are we cooking today, Wolfman?
Oh, we're going to do some chicken drumstick seasoned with Pit Boys Big Texan. Just do a simple bacon wrap, and then onto the grill. Yeah, do a bit of a low and slow smoke. Original bold mopping sauce towards the end, and yeah.
Okay, I'll just quickly translate. We're going to season this chicken, wrap it up with some bacon, put some of that sauce on it, cook it on that grill. Okay, bro.
Hey, bro.
Off you go. It's all yours. There's a big Texan. How many Texans are in this?
Oh, a good dozen. Baker's dozen.
Yeah, you want to get plenty of that on. That's all. Well, you can smell the cumin seed in that. Do they have chickens in New Zealand?
Oh, just a few.
A few?
I think, yeah.
What about the kiwi? Do they eat the kiwi?
What, the chickens?
No.
Oh,
Do the people,
probably
eat, do the people eat the kiwis?
Oh, no. Yeah, no.
Yeah, you can tell us. Don't be shy. Australians eat.
I don't personally either.
Australians eat kangaroos. National symbol. Oh, what's going on here next?
Alright.
What kind of bacon's that?
Pig.
Pig bacon. Do you have bacon in New Zealand?
Oh, shitloads.
You have Canadian bacon, right?
Yep.
Yeah, English bacon. Which do you prefer?
Both.
You like both? Sit on the.
What do you feel like on the day?
Oh, pork loin bacon. It's pretty good. I do like it. But also quite partial to the pork belly. This is the first time you've ever wrapped bacon around chicken?
Oh, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Chicken and blanket.
Chicken in a blanket, okay.
Yeah, it'll constrict once it's on the grill.
Oh yeah. Choking the chicken. Is it? There it is. How long is this going to take? I mean, to make these.
Oh,
How long do you think?
about then, I suppose.
About there.
Yeah.
No commitment. You want to wipe your hands? Yeah, just go and see Dave. He's got the hose.
Yeah.
Nice indirect heat. Okay, on with the lid. And then for the Bob Ross.
Bob Ross paintbrush. Yeah.
Nice little dosing. Right, so we've got 165 internal, that's what we're going for, right? We must be getting pretty close now.
Yep.
What's 165 in Celsius, Wolfman? What do you call that in New Zealand?
It was about 74
74.
degrees Celsius. Yeah, Celsius.
Yeah. That's confusing. Maybe another 20 minutes or so before these are done, do you think? Maybe half an hour?
Yeah, 20 minutes, half an hour.
Oh, yeah. All right. Sweet air spray.
Back to bed.
You smell that? It smells good. Oh man, this is good. Listen, excuse my fingers. Look at this. Oh my God. Man.
Big and
These
big.
are like turkey legs, man. Yeah. They're really heavy. Really. Well done. I'm gonna go for this before I dip.
After you, Bob.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chef Frank,
Isn't it, bro? We've got the North and South Island, bro.
Is that from North Island or South Island?
There's a South Island ones here, bro.
Where you from, bro? North Island or South Island?
North Island, man.
Whisper.
Taranaki.
Taranaki.
The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pig, check out BBQPitBoys.com. Excellent.
Myself, myself.